So, in the last couple of months, we have received the news about water engine, then hydrogen fuel cells, and so many other things which are going to be the future of vehicles, automobile technology. But does that mean that EV, which is currently trending, is going to go away in the next 5 years? Well, we don't know. But one thing we are sure, that EV is not going to disappear so fast that we imagine, right? So even if the water engine is developed by Tesla and many others, still it will take time to be in production. Okay, so there is time, but currently EV is the alternative to the petrol and the diesel vehicles, right? That is the only alternative right now which is in production, which is widespread and which is being sold. Okay, and customers are buying it. So we obviously need to focus on EV as the futuristic investment as of now, keeping track of other technologies as well, right? So if you have been following this channel for quite some time, you know that Olectra Greentech is one of the stock which has given us multi-bagger returns. Okay, so I made the first video on Olectra Greentech when the price was around 630. Okay, after that, in the next 1 to 1.5 years, it gave 250% return. Yes, that's a huge return. But in the last 7 to 8 months, it has dropped by around 38%. Okay, and currently it is down 38%, right? So does this mean that Olectra Greentech is dead, its rally is over, and it is not going to go up from this point? Well, no, we could be wrong. It could be preparing for another rally, but is it really so? Let's find out with proper evidence, with proper analysis of the price action. In this video, I'm going to give you the quick update on Olectra Greentech, and let me just remind you that I have made multiple videos on Olectra Greentech at various price levels. Okay, and I will post the links of some of the videos in the description section. You can go and watch them out if you want to. Okay, now let's go to Olectra Greentech's price action, but please remember that this is not a stock recommendation video. Please do the buying and selling of stocks based on your own risk appetite, right? So with that said, let's go. Alright, so this is Olectra Greentech in weekly time frame. Okay, so as I mentioned in the start of the video, I made the first video when the price was around 630. So that was this level. Okay, and not only I made the video, I personally invested at this level itself. Okay, and I closed somewhere around 1700 to 1800 level. Okay, and I booked around 225% return, what I remember. Okay, but now it has been going down and consolidating for quite some time now. Okay, and one thing also we are able to see that it has also gone below the 40 weeks moving average, which is the 200 days moving average. So is it the clear sign of weakness? Well, no, you can see as soon as the stock came below 200 days moving average, it started showing strength. Okay, so I know many people believe that if there is a death cross, okay, the 10 weeks crossing below 40 weeks moving average, if this happens, then that means the stock is in downtrend and we should exit. But there are certain cases where the stock crosses below it, okay, but goes sideways from there and then again recovers and gives a big rally. So this could also happen with Olectra Greentech. Okay, and why is that? Why am I saying? Because you see, let me just give you some technical evidences. Okay, why this could happen. I'm not saying this is happening, but this could happen. See, first of all, okay, we are in weekly time frame. Okay, you can see we are in weekly time frame. Now you can see this was the resistance here, okay, in July 2023, and then you can see this resistance was broken, the stock came to this level, and now it is kind of acting as a support. Okay, as of now it has taken just one it has taken support from that level one time. Okay, the blue line that I have drawn here, it was resistance and here it is support. So I think in coming weeks it could take one more support at this level. Okay, and then the trend line that I have drawn here, this trend line, this could be broken with strong volume. Okay, and once that happens, then we will see the beginning of a new rally. Okay, along with that, we can use one more technical analysis tool, that is the fib retracement. Okay, so let me use that fib retracement. Okay, and you can see I have taken this as the high. One second, this as the high, this as the low, and we can see although these blue lines are aligning with each other. So what does this mean? It is a 50% retracement level, 61.8% to 50% level, and that is where the price is now currently moving. Okay, so one thing we can do to properly track the price action, if we are interested to invest in one of the EV sector stocks, we can use this level as the level which the resistance level, okay, which we should target. If the stock breaks above this level, then we should consider that the uptrend has started. So in order to confirm this level, let us use super trend indicator, okay, and you see the super trend indicator is also giving the same information, this 1770 level, or you can round it up to 1800, not a problem. That level is the level which you should be waiting for to be broken, okay, with good volume. Okay, once it is broken, there you can consider making an entry, and by that time you will see if this happens, okay, the 40 weeks EMA, which is now flat, okay, that will also start giving it support. Okay, the 40 weeks EMA will start giving it support. Along with that, the 10 weeks EMA will also give a so here we can see there is a death cross here. You can see a golden cross very soon if the stock performs well, and then we can see a breakout above 1800 level, and that will be our fresh point of entry. Okay, and if you want just to swing trade, then you can exit at the previous high at around 2200 level, okay, this level. So that will give you a return of around 25%. Okay, not bad for a swing trade. Okay, but if you want to hold it for a longer term, then definitely you should continue tracking the 50 days EMA or the 10 weeks EMA. Anything is fine. So if I go to the daily time frame and enable 200 days EMA, you can see the same thing. Along with that, I'm enabling 50 days EMA. So here, this is what we have to wait for, the golden cross, okay, and the 50 days EMA should start giving it support and the breakout above this 1800 level. Okay, that will be the trigger point for entry. So that is all about Olectra Greentech. I hope this quick update video was informative and helpful. So keep this stock in your watch list. This is a very good performance based stock, and it has given multi-bagger returns to all the investors who have been following this channel. And like I mentioned in the start of the video, I'll share some of the links in the description section of my previous video on Olectra Greentech. You can watch them, okay, so that you can understand the approach, okay, and how I figured out that this could be giving a good rally and all, right? So that is all for this video. I hope this video was informative and helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already. If you are already a subscriber, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more information on the stocks, and also you will be able to chat with me directly one-to-one on Discord. Thank you for watching. Bye.